good evening. So I was going to start playing with the Dell Dimension 3100, which I'd dropped a few hints about on Facebook to a few of the subscribers. Unfortunately, somehow or other, another Compaq Compaq Presario even, has dropped onto the desk. There is a method in the madness. The Dell, it's there or thereabouts. It's ready for me to take apart, clean, put back together, load an operating system, etc. But before I can actually load an operating system, I wanted to have the ability to get it online and also increase the memory, because there's only 256 meg of RAM in there and it's running XP, so I would imagine it'd be fairly slow. So I've found some cheap RAM on the internet and I'm just waiting for that to arrive in the post. So in the meantime, here is the Compaq Presario, model number 5473. It's taken me most of the day to get to this point. So what you're seeing to start with is me actually loading an operating system, but I've probably spent most of the day having this thing in pieces, cleaning it, finding out information about it, downloading drivers. Compaqs are getting really hard for drivers these days. Having been sold to HP some years ago, it looks like most of the service packs are probably still online somewhere, but you can't find them anymore because HP's removed all the links. Anyway, so what I'm just doing is a basic install of Windows 98. You can see the hard drive's formatting at the moment. I'm not going to bore you with the step-by-step bit of this, so I'm just going to fast forward all through this lot. So whilst the operating system is now installing, a couple of things that are fairly obvious on this machine is there should be a door panel that hinges here, opens and closes, and it's missing at the moment. I'm led to believe we might be able to find that from the original owner. We pulled this machine out of a loft last week, and no doubt there are other bits laying around, so hopefully we can find this cover door. The other bit that's missing is a 5 1/4 drive cover. I might just be brash and stick another CD-ROM drive in there. It's the sort of thing we always used to do in the 90s. You know, it's a bit like the Go Faster Stripes, really, having a second a second CD-ROM drive. So that second blue screen of death wasn't my last. It looks like every time I've tried to install any drivers, all I get is a blue screen of death. There's something desperately wrong with this machine and I need some time to get to the bottom of it. So I'll make another part to this video at some point when I've got to the bottom of whatever the problem is.